Yep. This is the video I did with Nayeli one twice already as well.
This one?
The route to bowling.
Oh, okay.
I got the coupon for the free fries.
From where?
Wingstop.
Oh.
I did the survey.
This is survey.
I had to do the survey in order to get the coupon. That's the rouse I was talking about. Maybe we want to do that to get the deli.
Oh, this one. Okay. I'll think about it. I don't know what I want.
This is the rouse I was thinking for myself. Huh?
I mean, if you're gonna buy something, we can.
Yeah. Yeah, but JP has to come in. That's the rules.
Well, yeah, obviously. You can't stay in the car.
That's AC. Just like you can't leave a dog in the car unattended.
You can't leave anyone in the car. A dog, a baby, anything.
No. I love fried chicken. It's cheaper deals than Wingstop's combo because Wingstop's combo is around 10 something. That's expensive.
They are. Being separate expensive.
Yep, that's the route. Route đây một lát mấy có thể mua cái fried chicken luôn rồi. Yep, I like the fried chicken.
What time is the deli open?
Deli's around 10 they open.
Oh, okay.
A lot of times like fried chicken places they use the pressure fryer, so it wouldn't be as dangerous.
Yeah.
Because swimming in oil is ouch. But the fried product is swimming in oil. That's how they get the coating.
Yeah.
Hot oil. Yep. Yep. Thấy mà 45 luôn rồi. Yep. A lot of times when I was with you this year, we went directly to Maine from bowling, going on the 405. But the last time I got you, I didn't get to go directly because there was a switch. We had Spencer.
Oh, yeah.
The other time was original. We were supposed to follow Jasmine, but Abby wanted the main place.
I don't believe so, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
But this time we had to stop at a park or somewhere for JP's because this one's not allowed to eat at restaurants.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Bye. Yeah.